Hey everyone, I'm here today to dive into a rather alarming story that's been making the rounds. Did Vice President Kembo Mohadi of Zimbabwe really collapse during a public event? Let's get into it. Just recently at a university lecture, Vice President Mohadi, who's 74 years old, seemed to hit a rough patch. Mid-speech, he suddenly appeared disoriented and had to ask for water. Witnesses say that right after, his knees buckled and his aides had to rush to his side. Imagine that scene, a high-ranking official struggling to stand while addressing the public. Now, Mohadi has a history of health issues. Remember, back in 2018, he was injured in a grenade explosion at a political rally, and not long after, he was flown to South Africa due to an undisclosed ailment. So, this isn't the first time his health has been in the spotlight. But here's where it gets tricky. His security team jumped into action, but not just to help him. They stopped journalists from documenting the event. No photos, no videos. In fact, there was a previous incident where journalists were ordered to delete footage of him collapsing at another event. So, this raises a huge red flag about transparency. What's really going on with Vice President Mohadi's health? This whole situation has sparked a whirlwind of speculation and concern. Is it just old age, as Mohadi claims, or is there more to his health story that's being kept under wraps? And here's another layer. Political implications are at play. There are whispers that President Mnangagwa might be considering replacing him, to give him time to rest, or perhaps to maintain a certain image of vitality within the government. So, what do you think? Is the vice president's health a private matter? Or do the citizens of Zimbabwe have a right to know the full extent of his condition, especially when it appears in such public and dramatic ways? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this deep dive into a pressing political issue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. See you in the next video.